into a Thai bathroom and thought, what on earth is that? That little hose next to the toilet is called a bum gun. And no, it's not for cleaning the toilet. A visitor did try that on the first day of his holiday. He was very proud. He completely missed the point, though. Here's the thing. No one explains it. You're just expected to know, and that's where things can go slightly wrong. Too much pressure, and you've created a small indoor monsoon. Too little, well, let's not go there. So here's the simple way to use it. Sit properly on the toilet and stay steady. This is not the moment for balance experiments. Then gently press the trigger. Gently. Think light spray, not car wash. Always test into the bowl first. Some of these have serious power. Then aim carefully. Take your time. This is about precision, not speed. And finally, use a small bit of toilet paper to dry. That's it. Job done. Do it right, and honestly, it feels cleaner and makes a lot more sense. Think about it. If you got mud on your arm, would you wipe it with dry paper and walk away? Exactly. There's a bonus too. Use far less toilet paper, which is better for your wallet and better for the planet. Now, yes, Japan has those high-tech toilets with buttons and music. But here in Thailand, it's simple, effective, and surprisingly brilliant. A couple of quick tips. Always test the pressure first. Trust me on that. And don't overthink it. Everyone gets it wrong once. That's part of the experience. In fact, many people go back home and suddenly realize something's missing. That's when you know you've been converted. So give it a go. It might feel strange at first, but it's one of those little Thailand experiences you won't forget. All right, enough bathroom talk. Thanks for watching. If you're curious, then Chris has put a full YouTube playlist about bum guns in the YouTube description. Now go on, enjoy Thailand, and good luck in the bathroom, but I bet you are now smiling at the thought. We are lucky for life to throw new experiences at us like this. Have fun.
Okay, you can stop smiling now. It's really not that funny. Especially after I invited you into my home. And no, I don't use a bum gun. As you've probably guessed, it just makes me rusty. Thanks for watching. I have to say this video was a lot of fun to design and put together. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Those usual YouTube buttons really do help. And if you're curious to learn more about Chiang Mai, just head over to chiangmaibook.com or search for the book on Amazon. There's also a handy QR code coming up next. Right, that's probably enough advertising. I don't want to overdo it or leave you feeling flushed. Anyway, enjoy your bum gun. That's definitely a sentence I've never said before. Every day's a new experience.